Broad form car insurance. 1. What is broad form car insurance? Broad form car insurance offers very limited coverage, perhaps only the minimum amount of liability that is legally required in your state at a low price. If you want to purchase broad form coverage, you need to understand exactly what it does and does not cover. You should also be prepared for gaps in coverage that could be devastating if you have a claim. Broad form car liability insurance covers only one named driver with minimal liability insurance. Coverage is excluded for anyone else who operates the car, under any circumstances. It is suitable only for drivers who know that no one else will ever drive their car. If you have a family, a significant other, or anyone else who is likely to get behind the wheel of your car, broad form car insurance is not for you. If another driver crashes into your car, you will not have coverage for the damage to your vehicle or any other, and you can still be held legally responsible and required to pay. If you crash your own car, you will only have coverage for damage to the other driver's vehicle and the other driver's injuries. If your car is damaged or you have injuries, your broad form car insurance policy will not pay. 2. The gaps in broad form car insurance coverage. Broad form car liability insurance might be sufficient for you if you have a very old car that would not be worth repairing after an accident. But even under those circumstances, this type of policy has some serious limitations that leave you financially vulnerable. Broad form car insurance policies provide no comprehensive or collision coverage. You have no coverage for your own injuries or damages to your own vehicle. You may not actually save money. If you get into an accident and are sued for damages, your personal assets will be at risk. Buying a full coverage policy will probably save you money in the long run, because you will have coverage for a wide variety of situations. 3. Core insurance you really need. Most states require that drivers have a minimum amount of car insurance that covers personal injury and property damage liability. Broad form coverage may not even be legal in many states where the minimum amount of coverage required by law exceeds the simple liability protection available in a broad form car liability policy. Most people purchase additional car insurance coverage depending on their needs. A basic car insurance policy includes several types of coverage, each subject to certain limits and with a premium amount attached. Roadside assistance coverage, or towing and labor coverage, pays for help if you are locked out of your vehicle, run out of gas, or face some other type of problem while out on the road. Your insurance company will help you contract tow trucks, locksmiths, or other forms of assistance as needed, and will reimburse you for the costs of these services up to certain limits. Remember, core insurance policies have deductibles that you must pay before your coverage kicks in and reimburses you. If you have both comprehensive and collision coverage, you will have a deductible for each.